All right, well, today might be your lucky day because this company has an easy remote job and they are hiring immediately. So this sounds like a really good opportunity if maybe you're fresh out of high school looking for your first job. Maybe you've been working a summer job and you want something that's all year. Or maybe you've been working full-time in retail, maybe at the grocery store, maybe you've been a server and you're looking for something else, something you can do from home. So not only are they hiring immediately, they'll train you, they'll give you benefits, and the average salary is about $18 per hour. So we're going to go ahead and just jump right into it. So the job I'm sharing today comes to us from ServiceMaster, and right now they're looking for a customer service representative. This is a full-time remote position. You could do it anywhere within the United States, and look at this. They are hiring immediately for this fully remote opportunity. So I want to scroll down here to see if they tell us exactly how much they're going to pay, and I don't see it anywhere here on this job lead, so I turn to their profile on Glassdoor. And it looks like ServiceMaster pays customer service representatives anywhere from $32,000 to $44,000 per year, with the median salary being $38,000 a year. So that comes to just over $15 an hour, up to $21 per hour, with the median pay being about $18 per hour. So in addition to that hourly rate, it looks like the typical suite of benefits to include medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off, and career advancement opportunities. So this is your typical customer service kind of job. You're going to be receiving and or placing telephone calls that are basic and routine in nature. You'll handle all aspects of customer accounts, including solicitation, inquiries, and problem resolution. In this role, you'll have the opportunity to act as a customer advocate for all customer service issues. And those issues pertain to service and billing. You'll also record all customer and call history information while ensuring maximum sensitivity, confidentiality, and understanding of features of service and or billing, including marketing promos and special offers. So that pretty much sums up what you're going to be doing on a regular basis. They're looking for someone who has a high school diploma or a GED or 1 to 2 years of related experience and or training or equivalent combination of education and experience. They'd like you to have 6 months to 1 year of clerical or customer service experience, and like I always say, if you ever dealt with the public in any capacity, that qualifies as customer service. And if you're fresh out of high school or you've been working a summer job and you don't quite have 6 months of related experience, don't worry about it too much. Even if you have a few months of experience working in some kind of customer service capacity, definitely apply for this job if it interests you, especially if you can express somewhere on your cover letter or your resume that you've dealt with the public and you know how to handle and diffuse situations. Come up with at least one example where you've done that. That way you'll stand out and you'll stand a better chance of getting this job. They also want you to have basic computer knowledge and you're familiar with Word, Excel, Outlook, and PowerPoint. You have strong written and verbal communication skills and you're a problem solver. And they tell us right here the onboarding process will include a requirement to complete and pass all customer service training courses and ServiceMaster University courses. And because this is a 100% remote position, I'm pretty sure the training will be done virtually. So if you like this job, you can find the direct link in the description below this video, and good luck to all of you who apply. Hopefully this one works out for you. And if you're looking for more jobs that are just about ready to hire, check out this video right here. Thank you so much for visiting, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.